Starting around 30 November 2023, Bitgert especially for the most part is exchanging at $0.00000023 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 4.67% in genuinely most recent 1 hour, in a sort of huge manner, which in a real sense is very critical. Brise explicitly has an essentially complete market cap of $92,173,300, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,184,346, or so they by and large thought incredibly. This sort of makes Bitgert, Brise, by and large positioning at 335 in the cryptographic money market, especially sort of additional appearance, how Brise for the most part has a for the most part genuinely complete market cap of $92,173,300, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,184,346, which for the most part is genuinely huge. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally by and large is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert generally be truly worth in 2023, in a decently kind of huge manner, which is very critical. Is Bitgert in all things considered, sort of wise speculation or reasonably really worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. Will Brise cost for the most part outperform its unequaled especially high in a by and large in every practical sense, significant way incredibly? These essentially are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which really is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise value sort of is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of $0.00000019. The normal truly least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the really current year ought to by and large certainly be $0.00000019, which entirely is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Brise can generally arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.00000020 in a very huge manner. Brise value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitgert especially sort of is gauged to especially by and large be at around an especially least worth of $0.00000017, which is genuinely huge. The Bitgert value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of $0.00000020, with the sort of truly normal exchanging worth of $0.00000019 in United States dollars, exhibiting that starting around 30 November 2023, Bitgert for the most part is exchanging at $0.00000023 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 4.67% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very huge. Or so they for the most part thought. Bitgert value expectation December 2023. The cost of Bitgert explicitly essentially anticipated to generally reach at a fundamentally in every practical sense least worth of $0.00000019 in December 2023 in an unpretentious way. The Brise cost could truly arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.00000020, with the very truly normal exchanging worth of $0.00000019 all through 2023, showing the way that the Bitgert value worth can sort of fundamentally arrive at a reasonably by and large limit of $0.00000020, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.00000019 in United States dollars. Exhibiting that starting around 30 November 2023, Bitgert basically is exchanging at $0.00000023 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 4.67% in by and large most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert in every practical sense passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitgert's cost most certainly in a real sense has shown a kind of very great increment of 36.07% as of now, truly further appearance how Bitgert certainly kind of passed cost investigation with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitgert's cost in a real sense has shown an especially decent increment of 36.07% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. From very most recent 7 days the Brise entirely was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 51.03%, which especially is very huge in a significant manner. Bitgert generally has shown reasonably areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be quite great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute, showing how Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Brise cost for the most part is supposed to sort of cross a truly normal value level of $0.00000019, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the actually truly current year, ought to actually explicitly be $0.00000019, or so they basically thought. Inside the essentially absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise quite diminished by 52.460%, wiping out an incredible by and large certainly normal amount of $0.00000026 from its decently fundamentally current worth in an especially enormous manner. This unexpected down generally especially implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially in a real sense be an especially kind of good, most certainly especially purchase an open door for by and large most certainly fast speculation, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitgert value gauge 2023 facts. What will in a real sense especially be Bitgert's sort of worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? The Brise cost really is gauged to by and large arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of $0.00000020, with fundamentally least cost of $0.00000019 toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting that inside the especially sort of most recent 1 month. The cost of Brise fundamentally truly diminished by 52.460%, taking out an incredible sort of certainly normal amount of $0.00000026 from its kind of current worth, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Does Bitgert by and large have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Bitgert fundamentally explicitly has an exceptional especially genuinely potential to arrive at new levels in an unobtrusive manner, most certainly. It in every practical sense is gauged that Brise will increment in esteem, showing that will Brise cost most certainly outperform its record-breaking fundamentally high in a kind of by and large enormous manner. As per fundamentally genuinely unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Bitgert can fundamentally stir things up around town of the greatest cost of $0.000001 till 2030, showing how Bitgert explicitly has shown exceptionally kind of truly impressive, especially by and large potential of late, and this could be especially great chance to basically dive right in and contribute. Showing how Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert